Hi, this is Mark from Lockspedia. So in this video, we'll see how to change batteries on a Schlage smart lock. What I have here is Schlage Encode. So I've installed it on one of my doors. To change batteries on a Schlage smart lock, what you need to do is you need to take this cover off from the interior assembly. Now in some of the models, you might have two screws over here, but in Schlage Encode, there are no screws. So if there are any screws, you just unscrew them. So in this case, I'll just take off this inner cover. Now, once the inner cover has been taken off, you see that your battery compartment is this one, right? So you just need to take this out like this, and here are your batteries. So replace the batteries. Keep couple of pointers in mind. First, only use alkaline batteries. Never use lithium-ion batteries or rechargeable batteries, as the company does not advise so. Second is that you should always use the same brand batteries. Don't mix and match battery brands. So once you have replaced the batteries, make sure you insert this battery compartment like this. Now there are 2 points to keep in mind, that these two metal plates should face towards you when you are inserting the battery pack. Okay. And if you also see these two, the shape of the pack is such that it will fit into this compartment snugly. So let me just put it back. Now you have replaced the batteries, put the battery compartment back. The last step is to just put back the cover. Once you have replaced the batteries, do test out the lock if it is working fine or not. Thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.